Hello YouTube. Here I have my Hypergo H16PL little buggy. I just recorded a video of this one running with the GPS and I got 26 miles an hour running 2S LiPo. This video here is going to be me talking a little bit about this car as well as running right here in the street. Let's hit some curb and see if this guy can jump. I don't think it can jump these little curbs here, but we'll try. And yeah, so it's gonna be a few minutes of this vehicle here running on the pavement, a little bit on the grass. And my thoughts, I own this car for probably a year now. Played a couple of times, or actually less than a year because it was winter when I got it. The controller is pretty decent, very standard for this Hypergos. Have 70% and 100%. You have a functional knob here, so you can turn LEDs on and off. Of course, this one doesn't have, and then you have the steering trim right here. The controller fits well, and I will be driving one-handed. Let's see. It is pretty quick, like 26 miles an hour for a car this size. It's pretty good. Easy to control. 4x4, of course. Oh no, see? Got the curb in the wrong way and just flipped. So let's see if I can jump this curb coming from this side here. Didn't wanna fly straight, that's okay. I love the acceleration. Oh, hit the post. Car is flipping too much, but that was my fault. Let's go back here. So it's really very similar to the H16 VM, which is proven to be one of the best ones from Hypergo. Good brakes. Going Korea. If I can see, too hard on the brakes, and it did flip once more. Too much power. Gotta go easy. Is there power here? Coming back. 26 miles an hour, baby. That's pretty good. Alright, let's hit the curb once more. Going straight ahead. That was a little better. That was way better. So let's see if I can get a low shot as well. I'm right there. I don't think even jumped out of the curb. So let's go one more time. That was good. Oh, incredible how it can flip by itself in the grass. It's not ideal. But as you can see, it can handle this grass without a problem. Oh! Just because I said it could handle without a problem, it got stuck. Kind of can handle without a problem. This is really tall grass, like you can see here. But it did work. Let's go for another jump here. Now from this angle. Let's see if I can get a low shot. Oh boy, I don't know how many turns it did, but it was quite a lot. Go one more time. It's jumping pretty good. Oh, let's see, one more time. Well, all in all, it is a small little buggy. So much fun to play with this buggy in the dirt. Playing here on the street is it is cool, but it's just not the same. In the dirt is a lot nicer. Everything here is concrete nowadays. Need to go to a construction site and see what it does in a construction site. So far it's going well here. I'm getting good at driving one-handed, that's for sure. A lot of improvements since I started. Car is pretty cool, nice looking. See if it pops a wheelie when we go full power. It did not. See. Did pop a wheelie while in the grass. Maybe because so much traction. See? Well, I think this video is gonna do it for now. Yeah, hitting almost 10 minutes already. My intention on this video here really was to show you the car running, the remote once more, the little buggy right here. It is a really nice little buggy. I'm very happy with this car so far. I'm not affiliated with Hypergo. I purchased all of my Hypergos. I just like this company a lot. They have so many cool cars for not a lot of money, especially their lineup of 14301, 14302, and 14303. So we'll be running next this one, which is the H16BM, and we have tested it. We have tested the 16BM. So that's the 16BM. That's the 14BM, 16PL, and then all of those are roaching vehicles. And here's the GPS. All right, so be doing some more video reviews here and coming back to you soon. Thank you.